Hello, this is Maestro X, and I am going to go over the Level 1 Awod demonstrate from Week 6, Quarter 3. 3 syllables. The emphasis is on the first syllable, so we say demonstrate, demonstrate. Make sure you pronounce the final TE in straight, demonstrate. It is a verb and only a verb, and you have 3 definitions. Let's go over the first one. So the first one is to show something clearly by giving proof or evidence. So you have as your sentence for today, the purpose of a book report is to demonstrate a clear understanding of the book read, or the book you read. Actually, I like you in there. So the book report shows clearly that you have a clear understanding of the book. So your evidence is your book report. You can also write it so that you are the subject. I demonstrate that I understood the book by writing a book report. Again, your evidence or your proof is the book report. And you're showing it clearly by using the verb demonstrate. Okay? So again, you can use the thing that is demonstrating as your subject, like the book report demonstrates my understanding, or you can put yourself in the subject and say, I demonstrate, and then explain what you demonstrate. The second definition is to show by your actions that you have a particular quality, feeling, or opinion. Okay? So it's similar to the first, because again, you're showing something, but this one is your actions. Okay? So you can have a sentence like this. You demonstrate that you are actively watching this video by keeping your eyes on the video and not doing other things at the same time. Yes, you shouldn't be doing your flashcards right now or cutting and pasting. Your full attention should be on this video, listening to my voice, and looking at my examples. So here, the subject is you, and the action then is demonstrating. And you describe what you're demonstrating with the kind of actions that you are doing. So here, it's actively watching the video. The last definition, the third one, is to take part in a public meeting or march, usually as a protester to show support for something. Okay. So this one, this definition is used in a very specific instance. Here, we are having a group of students who are demonstrating in public places for better education and student rights. So here, a good synonym is protest, okay? And you can see the students are out, they're demonstrating, that they're not happy about something, and so they want to show their unhappiness by going out and holding signs and making speeches. I think here they're probably demonstrating that they want more academic words. All right, so let's look at your familiar words. If you are the person demonstrating, then you are a demonstrator. Something that it is able to be shown is demonstrable. Demonstrable. Excuse me. And the adverb is demonstrably. Okay, the A is changes from a hard A to a soft A. Demonstrable. Demonstrably. The emphasis now is on the second syllable, man. So you got demonstrate, demonstrator, demonstrable, demonstrably, and then your participles demonstrated. You can describe someone who is showing a lot of actions, or maybe being very active in the way they're showing something as being demonstrative. Okay, so when Mr. X is jumping up and down and maybe getting too excited, you can say, oh, he's being very demonstrative. And then you have demonstratively. So what someone who is kind of showing off or showing a lot of emotion, or by their actions being very, very active. If they're doing it in a very active way, then they're doing something demonstratively. Okay. You have a few synonyms here. For the first definition is illustrate and describe, and for the third definition, where you're demonstrating in a public place, it's a protest. Protest publicly. So that is your description of the word demonstrate. If you got this one wrong on your reassessment, you should write your own original sentence, and be sure to include an illustration. Excuse me. Happy studying.